The Customer Vault is a PCI-compliant way to store your customers' credit card information for use later. This can be convenient if you have customers who you would like to charge at a later date without having to store the information on your side. This will all be stored within the gateway, and you do not have to worry about securing the data as the gateway is taking care of that for you. The Customer Vault can be found in the main menu of your merchant control panel and is down here listed under Customer Vault. And there's two links, Add Customer and List Customers. So I don't have any customers in my vault yet, so let's add one. I'm going to click Add Customer, and this works with credit cards and checks, so whichever one I have I can enter. I'm going to enter credit card. Now when I go to add a customer, I'm taken to a screen that's very similar to the form that you fill out when you're running a sale for a customer. Required fields are still marked with asterisks, so I must have a card number and an expiration date, and on this account that's all I need. I am going to enter a name. So this is my John Smith customer. I want to save their data for later because I will be charging them again. And I'm going to add a little bit of information here and an email address. There we go. So now I have some information on this customer. This will make a little bit more sense in my vault. So once I have all the fields filled out that I'd like, I can hit submit at the bottom, and now the customer's been added to the vault. If I go back to the main menu and I go to my list customers this time, I can do a search for everything, and that pulls up John Smith. If I click into his name, I'm taken to the customer vault screen where I can see their billing and shipping information. Their billing information is here. This information can all be edited at any time, including the card number. If I go back to my list, here's the customers here, and there's this action section. What I can do here is I can run a sale, an authorization, create a recurring subscription, or create an invoice for this customer, all based on their vault ID. So as a real-world example, I want to charge John Smith. I saved his card information earlier, and now I want to run a sale on him, but I don't want to go ask my customer again for their information. I click this little stack of coins, which is the sale button, and I'm taken to a sale screen. This is the exact sale screen that you are familiar with. It has their card information, everything from their vault record has been filled out, and all I have to do is enter an amount. We'll do $3. You'll note that the card security code is not autofilled and was not asked for when entering the customer into the vault. That is because it is not PCI compliant for us to store the CVV, and so the vault will not store that for you. If I scroll to the bottom, I hit charge, and there we go. Finally, let's say that John Smith is no longer a customer of mine, and I don't really need to store their information anymore. If I go to search my customers again, I can click into John Smith, and I have the option to delete the customer vault entry. When I delete, he's gone. So if I go back to my customer vault list and search, he's no longer there. Additionally, the customer vault allows you to have multiple billing records on file for every customer. To do so, I've pulled up an example customer. I have one card saved. They have one billing address assigned, and this is a credit card with that number. I can't tell what it is, but they have a credit card on file. If I go up here to add billing address, I can add another payment method. So they already have a credit card on file, but maybe they want to have a check on file as well. What I can do here is I will add them here, and I will submit. So now if I go back to the customer vault record, I can see now they have two billing addresses. The first one is their credit card, and their second one is their bank account. As you can see, the Customer Vault is a powerful way for you to manage and maintain all of your customers' check and credit card information in a PCI-compliant manner.